Welcome to Whiteboard Marketing, where we simplify marketing for you with easy to understand whiteboard videos. And today, let's talk about crawlability and indexability of a website. First off, just like content and backlinks, crawlability and indexability are also crucial factors to rank a website. Well, we all have heard that there's something like a bot or a web crawler, which is popularly known as agent of search engine and is responsible to find and index new web content. So as per a bot, crawlability is described as the search engine's ability to access and crawl content on a page, while indexability on the other hand refers to search engine's ability to analyze and add that page to its index. Further, if a site has no crawlability issues, then web crawlers can access all of its content easily by following links between the pages. However, broken links or dead ends might result in crawlability issues. On the contrary, even though Google could crawl a site, it may not necessarily be able to index all of its content, typically due to indexability issues. Which brings us down to the question, what affects crawlability and indexability? Number 1, site structure. Number 2, internal link structure. Number 3, looped redirects. Number 4, server errors. And number 5, unsupported JavaScript or AJAX. Further, you can deliberately block web crawlers from indexing pages of your site. You might be thinking, but why would you do so? Well, there are some good reasons for doing this. For example, you have created a page you want to restrict public access to, like your admin page. And as a part of preventing that access, you should also block it from the search engines. So, how to make a website easier to crawl and index? Number 1, submit sitemap to Google Webmasters. And this sitemap will tell Google about your content and alert it for any updates you have made to it. Number 2, strengthen internal links. To increase chances of Google's crawler finding your content on your site, improve links between the pages to ensure that all the content is connected. Number 3, regularly update and add new content. Good content will help you improve sites' crawlability as web crawlers visit the sites that constantly update their content more often. Number 4, avoid duplicating any content. Duplicate content can also decrease the frequency with which crawler visits your site. So inspect and fix any duplicate content issues on your site if you have one. Number 5, speed up your page load up time. And last but not the least, which tools should you use to manage crawlability and indexability? Well, I'll recommend using Site Audit by SEMrush, as it checks health of your website, scans your website for various errors and issues, including the ones affecting the website's crawlability and indexability. You can also use Google Search Console to help you monitor and maintain your sites in Google and to submit your sitemap. And Google PageSpeed Insights, which allows you to quickly check the website's loading speed. Links for each are given in the description below. Be sure to check them out. With that, I hope this video was helpful and delivered value about crawlability and indexability in SEO. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to stay updated on future uploads.